Now we discuss about the supply of the goods that is made between distinct person under section 25(4) of the CGST. Now we know that if there is a supply that is to be made between the distinct person, then even if there is no consideration, that will be taken as supply of goods as per Schedule 1 of CGST Act 2017. But if there is consideration, then it will be taken as supply of goods. If there is no consideration, if the supply is made for the purpose of the business or for the furtherance of the business, even if there is no consideration, it will be taken as supply of goods as per Schedule 1 of CGST Act 2017. Now the question is that Power Engineering Private Limited a registered supplier is engaged in providing expert maintenance and repair services for large power plant that are in nature of immovable property situated all over India. So here Power Engineering Private Limited, a registered supplier, is engaged in providing expert maintenance and repair services for large power plant that are in the nature of immovable property. So they are providing services on large power plant which are immovable nature situated all over India. So here the provider of the services is Power Engineering Private Limited. They are providing services to the large power plant situated all over the India and which are immovable nature. The company has its head office in Bengal, Karnataka, and the branch office in other states. The work is done in the following manner. The company has self-contained mobile workshop which are container truck fitted out for carrying out the repair. The truck are equipped with items like repair equipment, consumables, tools, parts, etc. to handle a wide variety of the repair work. So here the Power Engineering Private Limited have a self-contained mobile workshop van, and that container truck fitted out for carrying out repair work. Also the truck are equipped with item like repair equipment, consumables, tools, parts, etc. Now the truck is sent to the client location for carrying out the repair work. Depending upon the repair to be done, the equipment, consumables, tools, parts, etc. are used from the stock of such item carried in the truck. In some cases, a standalone machine is also sent to the client premises in such truck for carrying out the repair work. The customer is billed after completion of the repair work depending upon the nature of the work and the actual quantity consumable, parts, etc. used in the repair work. Sometimes the truck is sent to the company's own location also in other states, from where it is further sent to the client location for the repair. Now we have to calculate the GST liability either in form of CGST and SGST or in the form of the IGST as the case may be of the Power Engineering Private Limited, Bangalore, on the basis of the fact as described. Read with the following data for the month of November 2020. Now first item is that truck sent to own location in Tamil Nadu. Here the truck moves from a head office of Power Engineers Private Limited which is situated in Bengal. So the truck is moved from Bangalore, head office of Bangalore, that means in the state Karnataka, to Tamil Nadu. So here interstate movement of the truck is taken place. The value of the item contained in the truck is rupees 3 lakh. Value of the truck itself is rupees 25 lakh. Now the truck sent to client location in the Tamil Nadu for carrying out the repair. Standalone machine is also sent with the truck to the client location for the repair. The value of the item contained in the truck is rupees 2 lakh 85,000. Value of the standalone machine is rupees 4 lakh. Value of the truck that is sent is rupees 20 lakh. This is the second item. Third item is that truck sent to the client location in Karnataka, that means here head office is Karnataka. Truck is sent also in Karnataka, that means within Bangalore. Here the movement of the truck is made within the state. Truck sent a client location in Karnataka for carrying out the repair. The value of the item contained in the truck 1,06,000. The value of the truck is rupees 20 lakh. Billing of the repair to be done afterwards depending upon the actual item used. Item D, invoice raised for repair work carried out in Tamil Nadu. Here 2 truck has been sent to the Tamil Nadu, and here invoice raised for the repair work carried out in Tamil Nadu amounts to rupees 70 lakh. It includes the invoice for the repair work done in B also. Now invoice raised for the repair work carried out in Karnataka is rupees 12 lakh. It includes the invoice for repair work done in C, item C. So here there are 3 trucks. 2 trucks has been sent to the Tamil Nadu, and 1 truck is sent within the same state, that is in Karnataka. So here first 2 trucks moves from one state, that means state of Bangalore, Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, and the third truck is moved within the state. That means the movement is made from Karnataka to Karnataka. Now invoice that is being raised for repair work carried out in Tamil Nadu amounts to rupees 70 lakh, and invoice raised for repair work carried out in Karnataka is rupees 12 lakh. Also specify the documents, if any, which needs to be issued by Power Engineering Private Limited, Bangalore, for the above transaction. All the given amount are exclusive of GST wherever applicable. Assume the rate of tax to be as under: CGST 6%, SGST 6%, IGST 12%. It is for repair work. For container truck and standalone machine, the rate of GST is CGST 2.5%, SGST 2.5%, IGST 5%. And for work contact for repair and maintenance, etc., CGST 9%, SGST 9%, IGST 18%. Now we have required to make the suitable assumption whatever necessary. Now the first item was that container truck sent out own location in Tamil Nadu, and that truck is sent with the value of stock, value of the item amounts to rupees 3 lakh, and the value of the truck sent is rupees 25 lakh. Now here, on the amount of the stock that is being sent to Tamil Nadu with the container truck is leviable for GST, because here head office in Bangalore are registered under the state Karnataka. Branch office are located in Tamil Nadu, it is also registered under the state Tamil Nadu. Here the transfer is made from head office to branch, that means it is to be taken as transaction or transfer between the 2 distinct persons. It is also made for the purpose of the business or furtherance of the business, so it is leviable for GST. So on the amount of the stock sent from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu amounts to rupees 3 lakh, attract GST. And here, since it is being transferred from one state to another state, that is, it is being treated as interstate supply, So here IGST is to be applicable and the rate of IGST will be taken as 12%. Here it is given in the question. Item used for repair is leviable for GST, IGST at the rate of 12%. So this is to be imposed and here it amounts to rupees 36 lakhs. Now the container truck that is being sent from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, here we know that movement of truck from one state to another state is not to be considered as supply of goods or supply of services. Since it is not to be taken as supply of goods or supply of services, no GST will be there on the value of the truck that is being sent from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. So here container truck sent on location in Tamil Nadu. Here, since the activity is not a supply, tax invoice is not required to be issued by Power Engineering Private Limited. However, a delivery challan is to be issued by the company in the terms of Rule 55(1)(c) of CGST Act 2017 for sending truck to its location in Tamil Nadu. Here, that delivery challan is to be issued by the head office under Rule 55(1)(c) of CGST, 55(1)(c), Section 55(1)(c) of CGST Rules 2017. Delivery challan is to be issued by the company for sending the truck to its own location in Tamil Nadu. Here in the question, it was asked that what will be the specified document that is to be issued by the Power Engineering Private Limited. Here, it needs issue of delivery challan for at the time of sending the truck from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. But that activity will not be treated as supply of goods or services, and since it is not to be taken as supply of goods and services, here no GST will be there. Third item in respect of point B, truck sent to the client location in Tamil Nadu for carrying out repair work. Here standalone machine are also sent in the truck to the client location for repair. Now here the value of the item that is to be sent in the truck is rupees 2,85,000. Value of the standalone machine is rupees 4 lakh and the value of the truck is rupees 20 lakh. Here it has been stated that billing of the repair to be done afterwards depending upon the actual item used. Here that item, this is the item that is sent, but billing is to be made for repair to be done afterwards depending upon the actual item used. So here primarily there is no invoice that is to be issued. The invoice or billing is to be made afterwards depending upon the actual item used.